Hello guys, it's me Jen. I'm from Philippines. So today we're gonna unbox this. Got this from Shopee. I'm gonna unbox this. I delivered headsets. And today I'm gonna unbox it and it's gonna be so cool. It's not my money. I only got 100. Mama gave me, I think he gave me 100, so let me guess. It's like, I think it's like my own headphones. Ta-da! So it says it can do this, so nothing. Oh, my mama. Okay. Oh my sweet mama. I never got the new headphones. Okay.
Be careful.
I feel like I need the scissors for this. Oh, be careful, cut it off. Snap and it's done. Only one snap and it's done.
Careful.
Very nice. Oh my god. I like it. Look at that, mama. It's like sky blue and it's blue. Sorry. You know I'm sweaty, that's why these things they get wet. These things get wet. So, and also this color is gray. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you get these headphones too. I hope you get these headphones too. So make sure to subscribe to make my arms rich. Goodbye.